Your question is, which of the following is correct? Your options are A. Social equality is not guaranteed in our constitution. B. Social equality already existed in our country. C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. Your question is, constitutional government means, your options are A. A representative government of a nation with federal structure. B. A government whose head enjoys nominal powers. C. A government whose head enjoys real powers. Or D. A government limited by the terms of the constitution. Right answer is D. A government limited by the terms of the constitution. Your question is, one of the implications of equality in society is the absence of, your options are A. Privileges, B. Restraints, C. Competition, or D. Ideology. Right answer is A. Privileges. Your question is, what is the legal nature of the preamble of the Constitution? Your options are A. It is enforceable. B. It is not enforceable. C. It may be enforced in special circumstances. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. It is not enforceable. Your question is, how many types of justice has been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 1, or D. 4. Right answer is B. 3. Your question is, the mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? Your options are A. The preamble, B. The fundamental rights, C. The directive principles of state policy, or D. The fundamental duties. The answer is A. The preamble. Your is, the ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in, your options are A. The chapter on fundamental rights, B. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties, or D. Nowhere else in the text of the Constitution. Right answer is C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Your question is, economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in. Your options are A. The preamble and the fundamental rights, B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy, C. The fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy. Your question is, consider the following and arrange these in chronological order. First, Golaknath case. Second, Keshwanand Bharti case. Third, 24th Constitution Amendment Act. Fourth, 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes A. 1324, B. 1234, C. 3124, or D. 3142. Right answer is A. 1324, Golaknath case, 24th Constitution Amendment Act, Keshwanand Bharti case, 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. Your question is, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded preamble as a part of the basic structure of India Constitution? Your options are A. Birubari case, B. A.K. Gopalan case, C. Privy Purse case, or D. Keshwanand Bharti case. Right answer is D. Keshwanand Bharti case.